talking about Dictator, your song did a lot of good for you, you know.
Yeah, quite a lot. I didn't expect that at all.
More than anything, I'm sure you found a new friend in Balakrishna sir.
I mean,
And he seems to be very fond of you, you know, from what I see.
I am very fond of him too. See, the thing is that, firstly about the song, I'll say that, like I said, I was again skeptical. Should I do? Should I not do? So for 2 months, I was still thinking, and then budgets were still not discussed. And I was surprised that 1 month before the shooting of this song, how come there's every journalist possible, every editor calling me and asking me, "Are you doing this song?" I was like, "Is it such a big deal or what?"
Right.
Like I said, I don't know how big a deal it is to do a song in such a big star's film.
Right.
And then another fear of being typecast as an item girl, which I never want to happen to me. So that was there. So then that, and then when so many people called me, and I was like, okay, I think it's really a big deal, so I should do it. So then I came, and then everybody. People say na that everybody's scared of Balakrishna sir generally, that you know you behave yourself really well and everything. So I was also really scared, and I was like, oh my god, dancing ka ye step hai? Nahi, I'm going to rehearse it at least 50 times if it is with him. I'm not going to do any retake. No. And then I have to be on time, like like the cameraman, he and Prem Rakshit Master, all of them were scaring me from the first day. Because first day Bala sir didn't come, the second day he came. So they were like, his Muhurat time is there from 6 to 7:30. You better come. If you're 5 minutes late also, na, then you're gone. I was like, okay, no, I'll come at 5:45 only. Promise. I went at 5:45. I used to never be late for anything. I'm generally also not late on my this thing. Even when shots are taken, I sit there and I stand in the shot before everybody comes, you know, so that is my habit.
Okay.
And suppose like it was very cold when we were shooting that song, I think around 13-14 degrees, and it was full night shoot.
Right.
So it used to be cold, and I had this skimpy costume and everything. So even when he would be rehearsing na, I would not even wear my shirt to waste the time ki baba shot ready ho jayega. Nahi, I used to stand there shivering in that skimpy costume until he's finishing his rehearsal, and I used to be like, I'm ready. So that's how it was. So he really saw that okay, this girl is like really hardworking and professional, and he was really nice, yaar. I mean,
right.
Even if the assistant of the choreographer used to say that they keep an eye on the actress always, whether she's doing the step correctly or not. Even if chota mistake, they'll be like, "Madam, do it correctly. You're not doing correctly. It's your mistake only. Your mistake only." I'm like, okay. So he used to scold them, stop troubling her. She's doing it nicely. He used to be really encouraging, and I didn't see him getting angry anywhere on the set. I thought, what is this? Yeah, people keep saying that, you know, he's very strict and all of that. Nothing like that. And then the trailer launch of Guntur Talkies, you know, we were discussing as to who we should invite. So somebody told me that, why don't you invite Balakrishna sir? I was like, no. I mean, how? I'm not even like great friends with him or anything. I've just worked in one song. So I took the risk. I was like, okay, what will happen? He'll just say a no. Right. I called him and I asked him that, "Sir, this is this thing, our film trailer is coming. Will you come, please? It's shot in Hindupur also and all." So he said, okay, give me some time, I'll call you back. He called me exactly in that much time. He said 45 minutes. He called me in 45 minutes. He's like, "Okay, Shraddha, I'm coming." I'm like, and this is how I talk to him. I'm like, "Are you serious? You're really going to come? I cannot believe it." This is how I said. He's like, he started laughing. He's like, "Yeah, I'm really going to come." I can't. Oh my god, thank you so much, thank you. I cannot, I'm just going to tell everybody that you're coming and everything. And then he came and he took my name and he said that, you know, I have come here because of her in Hindupur. And I was like, oh my god. And he called me the hero of the film, literally. So I was like shocked, because so many times in my other films, my own film heroes on the stage, in the audio launch and trailer launch, have not even taken my name. And he has come and taken my name over there. I was like, wow. I have so much respect for him. It's unimaginable. Like, it's more of an emotional kind of respect I have for him. Yeah, so
now coming back,
he's my favorite cutie balaya.
Cutie balaya.
Cut that off.
Not cutting this.
She's not a frustrated soul, man. She gets whatever she wants, however she wants, whichever way she wants.
Oh gosh, man.